Hello, my name is Mindy, and today we're going to show you how to install Clavos on a Therma-Tru door. You may follow the same steps to install the strap hinges. You will need the following tools and materials: safety glasses, Clavos or strap hinges, low-tack masking tape, 70% isopropyl alcohol, and a soft cloth. You should wear safety glasses when working on this project. First, determine where to place the Clavos or strap hinges on your Therma-Tru door. Here are a few examples of possible placement options. To see more popular options, visit our website at Therma-Tru.com. To begin, use low-tack masking tape and mark the location of the Clavos or strap hinges. Moisten a clean, soft cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol and clean the area where the Clavos or strap hinges will be applied. Isopropyl alcohol will not affect the Therma-Tru finish on your Therma-Tru door. Next, remove the backing paper from one of the Clavos and attach it to the door. Press firmly to ensure a good bond. Repeat for each Clavos. Once in position, the Clavos and strap hinges are intended to be permanent. We have now successfully demonstrated how to install Clavos on a Therma-Tru door. If you have any further questions, please contact us by email at customersupport@thermatru.com, by phone at 800-843-7628, or visit our website at Therma-Tru.com.